Okay, so it's the 21st of April 2018, and this is a short video to show you my two Bird of Paradise plants. Well, I've actually got three, but I've got these two are actually in bloom. Well, the early stages. So if we take a closer look, I don't know if you're going to see this very well because I'm doing this with my phone, my mobile phone. So what happens with these plants, Bird of Paradise, is these blooms, when they open up fully, bear a very striking resemblance to a very, very colourful and beautiful bird. Now I've overwintered these in the conservatory, and later on today I shall be putting them out somewhere in the garden. Apparently they like full sun and like full light, full sun and moist soil when they're in a pot. When they go out, I'll be leaving these both in pots, and I'll bring them in later on in the year when it gets too cold for them. And the purpose of this video is to show you the blooms and how they develop from this early stage up until full bloom. So my apologies for the shaky camera. Like I said, I'm just using my mobile phone. But these flowers are absolutely beautiful when they're fully open. Now I've had these a few years, and they were bought originally from a small plant from a shop called Wilkinson's that we have here in the UK. And I think it only cost a couple of quid. And I bought one plant originally, and from that one plant I've divided it as it's grown on over a period of years into three separate plants. And each of those plants has bloomed several times in those years. Unfortunately, I can't remember when I originally bought the plants, or the original plant that is. So I've no idea how old these are, but it's safe to say they're over 5 years old. Well, the original plant is, anyway. These two were actually divided, were actually one plant, and I divided them late last year. So hopefully they'll survive. The leaves are quite curled up at the moment, but I think that's due to the lack of watering on my part. So I've given them a good dousing, and hopefully they'll be reinvigorated.